How to change stadium in Madden NFL 24 mobile? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you'll be learning how to change stadium in Madden NFL 24 mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you must tap the gear symbol on the top right corner of your screen. And once you have done that, into settings, you must tap on competitive. So the competitive gameplay settings. Let's tap on edit and you have two options here. The first of it is the uniform. It could be the default, my dark uniform or my light uniform, and also the stadium. Use the home team stadium. It could be in home or my stadium. Those are the options by now I have available. I guess in the future you're gonna have more options there. But by now that's how you can change stadium in Madden NFL 24 mobile. Thanks for watching.